Hello, physiology students. Welcome to the fall 2020 semester. I wanted to make this short recording to do a few things. For one, I just wanted to introduce myself to you. I'm your instructor. My name is Emily Reed, and I'm looking forward to getting to know you this semester. So even though this is an online class, do note that we will still be interacting quite a bit. So we're going to be getting to know each other, similar to as if we were in person, though obviously we're not in person. So the other thing that I wanted to do is just go over a little bit about our Canvas page for the course. You're going to need to be able to navigate our Canvas page to be able to access important things. So let's just take a look together. I'm parked right now on our home page. Your view will look like this or something similar to it. So this is our home page. And it gives a little bit of an introduction, kind of talks about getting started, but you'll notice a few other things on the page. On the left, there are some menus that we can navigate through. On the right, there's a to-do list. And the first thing I just want to say is that this to-do list is handy because it shows you due dates that are coming up, things that you need to do before that date. However, my word of caution right now off the bat is I'm going to advise you don't just click on these directly to go and do those assignments because there's a lot of material to work through before you actually go and do those assignments. So instead, what I would like you to do is follow these instructions. It kind of describes on the page what you should do. First thing is to complete an orientation module, just to get you oriented to the course and Canvas. So how do we get there? We're going to go to the modules link on the left. If you've had classes that were based online before, you might already be familiar with modules, but then again, you might not be familiar with modules, so let me just tell you a little bit about them. Modules are just sort of like chunks of content in Canvas. Modules are a good way to organize things in Canvas. So to get to the modules, what you will do is come over to the left, right here, right below our home link is a modules link. And this is where you'll go pretty much every week. You're going to go to modules and work through the current module for that week. So for right now, we need to find module 0. That's the orientation. Here it is. It says start here. What you'll do is click on this very first page about our class. You'll read through this information, and then at the bottom of the page when you get there, there's a next button. Go ahead and just use that next button. That'll take you to the next page, which is about Canvas, and you'll read through all of this, do what it says, and then again click on the next button. So you're just going to keep nexting through until you've made it all the way to the end of the module. Eventually, somewhere within this module, you'll come to an assignment. It's going to be a discussion activity is the first assignment you'll come to. And so you'll respond to the prompt that it gives you at that point. And that is the discussion that the to-do list was talking about on our homepage. But again, it's important to work through things in the proper order. So I'd always, let me go back to the modules list here. I would always suggest just come to the modules list, start at the beginning of whatever module you're doing, and then work through these things in order. And that'll help you to keep on track and not miss anything. So we've got module 0. This is a sort of an orientation thing. There's a little quiz at the end of it. And then there's also a module 1. This is our first content module. This is the first module that actually talks about some physiology concepts. And so we'll be working through that one this first week as well. So I think that is everything for now. Feel free to send me any questions that you might have. There's also a Q&A section on our page that you can always feel free to use. Any course-related questions you might have, you can just drop them in here. Everybody else in the class will be able to see your post as well, and anybody can respond to it. So you might be able to help each other out with questions and answers. Sometimes that's quicker than waiting for a reply from me, though I try to check in regularly. But anyway, I encourage you to interact with each other at that link. So that's it for now. We'll be in touch again soon, and I'm looking forward to the semester with you.